Today I'm checking out the GMKtec G5 mini PC. This may well be one of the world's smallest Windows 11 PCs. So if you're someone who's being bugged at the moment by the warning on your computer telling you that you have Windows 10 and that your hardware is not compatible with Windows 11, then this might be an affordable solution for you to upgrade to Windows 11 Pro. On this computer, it has an Intel Alder Lake N97 quad-core processor capable of running up to 3.6 gigahertz. It also includes 12 gig of RAM, and depending on what you choose, you can also select from a 256 or 512 gigabyte solid state drive. It also has inbuilt Wi-Fi, and you also have Bluetooth as well. You can see its low form factor fits easily in my hand. It weighs about 150 to 200 grams, and it is actually made out of plastic. Around the exterior, you have a number of ports. We'll start with the back first, being a USB 3 port that you can see here, and then you have a gigabyte Ethernet connection, and you also have an audio in and out. You then have two HDMI outs, and that Intel video chip that's inside this actually runs at 1.2 gigahertz and can deliver 4K Ultra HD quality output. You can also see this USB-C here. Now, this is not a data connection. This is actually where your adapter will go, which is used to power the unit. And you get a AC adapter for your part of the world. Now, on the side, you can also see it can take a SD card or trans flash card, and then you have this for connecting a security cable so someone can't walk away with it. Now, on the front, you can see you have two USB 3s here, and you also have this lime green button. Now, that is the power button. While it's not the most powerful processor on the planet, it is more than capable of doing everyday tasks like, say, searching the internet, or maybe writing a letter and or sending emails and receiving emails. You can print from this. You could also look to do Skype or be in team meetings or Zoom meetings. But I think where the real value in these sorts of devices is in their portability. These are the sort of things that you can take with you. You can, say, put this in a caravan or a camper van and plug it into a TV, or maybe if you're in meetings, you can add this as a means to display slides and things like that in, say, a conference room. Hopefully that gives you enough information as to whether this product is for you, and I'll catch you in a future video.